Hi everyone. So welcome to Pinoy VA Job Hiring. My name is Shell and I'm the founder of this page. Yeah. And today po we will going to discuss the Pinoy VA AI HR staff po wherein sila po yung mag-guide po or mag-help po sa inyo towards your VA journey or application journey po as a VA. And nakakatulong po talaga 'to when it comes to sending your applications, improving your resume, what do you call that one? Convert that one to ATS resume as well, and other things po. And also to build confidence during interviews since that meron po akong AHR staff din na makakatulong po sa inyo to have like a mock call doing interviews po. And also, if you're have niche on customer service po, meron din po akong AHR staff po that you can also do mock calls with them, with her. Yeah. So, pinangalan ko po to. Seven po silang lahat. So, let's start. First is the Pinoy VA Niche Finder. This is the first step po, especially those who are aspiring VAs, especially those who don't have an experience as a VA po, mga beginner VAs pa po. Your first step is to find your niche. So, what is niche po? Yun po yung mga skills na na-gain nyo na po yung mga experiences nyo since that all of us have different niche po. For example po, I myself, my niche is more on general admin, mga admin positions po such as HR, executive assistant, general admin assistant, much more on admin po, social media management, basic bookkeeping, and so on and so forth po. Basta more on admin. Yung iba naman din po, they're more on sales, they're comfortable doing phone calls, mga customer service. Meron din yung mga social media manager. They are more comfortable in doing graphic designs, content creation, mga vlogger, mga ganyan. Also, if you're comfortable like online seller kayo, you can also, um, yeah, you're interested to become like an e-commerce VA, mga Shopify VA, mga ganyan. So, you are more on bookkeeper side, graduate kayo sa accountancy or CPA kayo or accounting technology, you're familiar with the accounting terms, your niche will be on that. Yeah, as a bookkeeper po. So, iba-iba po tayo mga niches. So, depende po sa mga na-study po natin, sa experience po natin, and sa mga skills po natin. So, this Pinoy VA Niche Finder will help aspiring beginner VAs. Also, these are actually friendly to all of the VAs if you are like experienced na po, if you want to find more of your niche to discover your niche pa. Kasi this Pinoy VA Niche Finder will discover your top 5. So, ibig sabihin, hindi lang admin pala yung niche mo. Baka niche mo din yung mga iba mga VA roles such as like social media management, bookkeeper, and all. So, top 5 daw po yung pipili, i-discover niya. So, meron po mga answered questions po dito. So, I'm going to give you a separate call, sorry, separate video about this. Okay, so how to do this and that, and how Pinoy VA Niche Finder will gonna help you find your niche. Okay. So second is Luna. So for those who are like beginner VAs pa po, these are all really helpful po for those who don't have an experience as a VA, especially those who don't have like online jobs at PH pa po, Upwork and LinkedIn. Luna. This is a profile optimizer po. Mag-guide po sa inyo. Like, you will create your own account. Hindi po si Luna po yung mag-create ha. You will create your own account. But Luna will gonna help you po to para meron po kasi mga details po doon para po siyang LinkedIn para kung sino mayroon ng LinkedIn dito or job street po, nyo po, it will show your skills, your experiences, ano pa, your portfolio and so on and so forth. Tapos si Luna po yung mag-help po sa inyo to optimize it, which is you highlight your skills, your work ethics. So, para po maging VA po, yeah, para po maging VA, dapat po meron po kayong online job sa PH, Upwork, and LinkedIn din po para naman hindi lang kayo hahanap ng trabaho sa isang sources lang. Ang dami po naghahanap po ng mga VAs po all over the recruitment sites po, such as this po. Okay? So, I'm going to create a separate video for this para alam nyo po kung ano po talaga si Luna and kung paano po tayo mag-create ng or mag-optimize ng uh, yeah, mag-optimize sa mga accounts po. Okay? Alright, so third po is Ella. She is my AI resume reviewer. Kung sino po dito yung hindi pa alam kung ano po yung ATS. ATS is an application tracking system, which is not all, but some of the companies are using that one to si ATS na po yung nagre-review po ng mga resume po na nagsasubmit po sa kanila. So once that they receive your application po, when you send your application to them, si ATS pa po muna yung nagre-review ng resume nyo. Tinitingnan niya po yung mga experiences mo, number of years of experience, and so on and so forth, your details po. So, meron po tayong, it's not separate, yeah, specific format for this po kasi may mga format po tayong ah, may mga 'di ba iba-iba yung mga format ng resume natin, right? So meron po dapat na specific format para po ma-read po lahat yung mga andun po sa resume nyo or sa CV nyo. Meron po kasing mga format na hindi nare-read ni system, which is I already have that video po ah, about the explanation po kung bakit hindi po yun nare-read masyado po ni ATS yung format po ng resume at ano po talaga yung format po na dapat um, i-use po natin when we send application po. Okay? So, Ella po, this is a resume reviewer po. When you send your resume to her, she will gonna help review and also not just about the grammar, about the spelling, but also she will give you the overall feedback about your resume, and also she will give you like suggestions. Meron mga suggestions yun. So I will give you a separate video about this, Ella po, para malaman nyo po kung ano po talaga yung kung effective pa po talaga 'to si Ella sa inyo. Okay? So, next po is Colette. Actually, this is my second favorite. Yeah. Yeah, second favorite po na AAHR staff kasi po napaka tulong ko po napakatulong po 'to when you send your application po via email or via online jobs at PH kasi nga meron tayong mga cover letter, right? When we send applications po, especially emails, online jobs at PH, or even LinkedIn po, when you send like PMs to the clients po, prospective clients, yeah, we need to use specific cover letter in every job post po. And it really takes time po kasi when you send like specific kasi nga magbe-brainstorm ka pa kung ano yung mga experiences mo na fit doon sa job post mo. So I created this and it really helps me a lot when I send applications to online jobs at PH from 5 minutes to seconds lang po talaga. So for example po, ito si Colette, if meron na po kayo nito, um, yeah, you will send your resume, or if you're not comfortable sending resume po sa AI, you can actually send your experiences and also your skills and tools. Tapos isasend nyo din po yung job post from that company. Tapos si Colette will create a simple cover letter. I created her to be a simple cover letter lang po using the KISS method. So, mga 3 paragraphs to 4 paragraphs po yun. Pero napaka simple lang po yun. But if you want to make it really short, as in short, you can actually ask Colette naman din. So, what she will did is she matches your resume experience with the job post, tapos i-adjust po yan. So, for example po, meron po mga sa job post po, meron po dong mga experience na hindi nyo po experience nyo po, meron po siyang gagawin po doon. Mga ganyan. So, I will create a different video about this. So, para makita nyo po talaga kung uh, yeah, the effectiveness of Colette po and how Colette will help you. Okay, super effective po talaga to. Okay, and next is Anna. So Anna, I created Anna po for any questions that you have in terms of applications, in terms of resume, any questions nyo po kung yeah, any guidance, mga ganyan. So meron po kasing nag-reach out sa akin a lot of aspiring bees nag-reach out sa akin. And since that I am just available for 2 to 3 days a day lang po, or even 1 hour lang po kasi meron po akong work din. And also I'm a mom. So busy po talaga ako. So I created this one so that if you have any questions po that you want prompt response, Anna will gonna help you on that. Okay, so for example, what is VA? Mga ganyan. I have concerns in my application. How do I prepare clients' interviews? Ano bang maganda na sagot nitong question na to? Mga ganyan. Tips. Any tips po, Anna will give you that po. So, yep, that's good po. All right, and since second is Colette, this is my first, my first favorite po of all. Si Maya po. She is my HR interviewer. Wala pa po kasi akong nakikita na AI VAs or baka may alam na kayo. Pero nung dati po kasi, dati na po kasi to si Maya, si Colette, si Anna, at saka si Ella. So, create ko po talaga to boost your confidence since that wala po tayong ganito noon. Like, impromptu po talaga. Like, if may scheduled na interview, wala tayong practice na kung ano ganyan. So, si Maya po, she will gonna help you po to conduct mock interviews. She will also score you after the interview and also give suggestions din po. So, um, for example po, itong job post na sorry, meron pong nag-invite po sa inyo for that job interview. So, what you will gonna do is to check the job post again kasi nga ang dami na tayong na application. Minsan nga hindi natin nakalimutan na natin. So when you check your that job post, you can actually copy paste that one and send it to Maya and sabihin mo na Maya, please conduct an interview with me using this job post. Tapos parang related yun sa job post na yun. So parang nga talaga siyang mock call for practice po before you will conduct a real interview with clients or with company. So I really created this one po talaga kasi iba po talaga when you just read the questions and answers. So and also you practice it in yourself. So dapat po meron po talagang someone na ka-interview yung meron pong nagpapanggap na HR na para po iba po talaga 'yan, eh, para po siyang real po talaga na interview, but this is really a mock call. So, I'm going to, have an have a separate video on this para malaman niyo po talaga how effective Maya is. Great. So, Ellie, this is this is just new HR staff po na grade 8 ko po. She is an AI call trainer. the same lang po to ni Maya, but this is not an interview po. It's all about Mac calls. So what I did is I set up Ellie that she can do Mac calls in not just one industry, but across industries. So if you want healthcare industry, you will have, meron din po kasi silang mga customer service na in the healthcare industries. And if you want to practice or familiarize the conversations, you can actually have a Mac call with Ellie. And also, halimbawa sa e-commerce din, 'di ba, meron din pong nagko-call po sa mga customers about mga products na nagde-deliver, mga ganyan. And also real estate, meron din. And ano pa, healthcare, hospitality. And if wala po dito, you can actually just ask Ellie if they can, uh, you can do the Mac call in different industries na wala po dito. And yeah, across industries po ito. Okay. So, yep, that's it for my AAHR staff po. If you are really interested to this, meron po akong link sa baba po nitong job description. This Ellie and sino nga po yung free? Meron po akong free access po nito. Si Ellie and also the Pinoy VA Niche Finder. These are all free po. You can actually access this. I'll also send the link of this custom chat GPT. These are all custom chat GPT po. And yeah, disclaimer lang po ha, they are all just for guidance only. So if ever po na meron po silang mga mali, please, um, before you send it or before you, yeah, especially Colette po, before you send Colette's suggestion or yeah suggestions po sa cover letter nyo po, please sorry, please po check all of the details if that is really correct po, especially the years of your experiences, your skills, and so on and so forth. And also Ella, since that she will be your resume reviewer, please before you gonna change your resume po, please check na lang din po uh, kung ano po yung mga suggestions ni Ella. So this is just for educational purposes or for guidance purposes lang po. So yeah, disclaimer lang. Okay, and this is not guaranteed po ha. Now when you use this AAHR staff po, hindi po talaga guaranteed na 100% na meron po talaga kayong trabaho. They will just guide you on creating this and also for your convenience as well. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for your time. And again, this is Shell with Pinoy VA Job Hiring. And yeah, see you on the next video. Bye for now.